The first Christmas Eve, Joseph and Mary arrive in Bethlehem. Mary is transported on a donkey. Stopping at an inn, they see a flashing neon vacancy sign, even though neon has yet to be invented. What's this? There is room in the inn? Did the Bible get it wrong? Incredible.
Rest ye merry gentlemen, surprise, surprise for you. It's Christmas Eve, would you believe? There's lots of rooms, who knew? Oh, come the inn is open. Oh, come the inn is open. Oh, come the inn is open. We take American Express.
The hotel manager, J. Willard Marriott Hilton Ramada, greets the weary travelers.
Tired. Woo. And I see the little lady is expecting. I'm the valet parker, ask the garage. We'll put you in the executive suite, no extra charge. And we have 24/7 room service. Oh, the chef has just made a carrot cake that will knock your socks off. Oh, that's right. Socks haven't been invented yet. It'll knock your sandals off.
Hold on, time out. Room service, executive suite, didn't you get the memo? Where's your barn?
What?
Your barn, your stable. The baby has to be born in a barn, otherwise there's no Christmas story.
But it's a barn.
We're fine with that. We need the hay and the animals for the Christmas story. By the way, is there a drugstore that's open late? We're going to need swaddling clothes. You know, diapers. Hopefully the ones with Velcro. Oh, that's right, there's no Velcro yet. No socks, no Velcro. Remember, I'm Joseph. I can peek into the future. For example, when I turned 90. I get a free Bethlehem gate pass. And I know a thing or two about miracles.
Miracles?
Yeah. If I told you how my wife became pregnant, you wouldn't believe it. Carpenter, Mary. But if there's one thing I never nailed, I was just a simple carpenter minding my own business, but guess who appeared before my eyes? It was God herself standing there before me. She said, "Joseph, you're in for a surprise. You're going to be a father, foster father, that is. A miracle according to my plan." I said, "God, you know my life. I don't even have a wife. And that foster part I do not understand." As I take up this task, who is this woman, may I ask, who will have a baby without any help from me? She said, "The lovely girl, Mary. You'll be wed, so let's not tarry. Go with the flow, and you go down in history. God said, do not be confused. I'm the one who makes the rules. Do not question what I do in any way. You'll be singing Kumbaya when you give birth to the Messiah. Let's just say Immacula Concepcione.
That's right, Joey. Let me ask you once. When I become the mother of God, could I ever become a priest?
A female priest? I don't think so.
Well, then, could I ever become a deacon?
A female deacon? Forget about it. But look at the right side. Why, in a few centuries, there'll be a huge cathedral in Paris named after you. Not to mention a football team in Indiana.
Indiana? Boy, hey.
Yes, in the New World. Whoops! The New World hasn't been discovered yet. Along with socks and Velcro. Well, Mr. Ramada, by the way, there'll be 3 wise men looking for us. They're from the law firm of Gold, Frankincense, and wise men will be an astrologer, a magician, and an Uber camel driver. There I go again.
No socks, no Velcro, no New World, and no Uber.
And Mr. Ramada, I want to thank you for your offer of hospitality. Well, as I explained, we have to be in the barn for the Christmas story. Speaking of which, let me be the first to wish you a Merry Christmas.
And let me tell you, I'm Jewish.
So are we, but if we'll make you feel better, happy holidays. While I'm looking into the future, I see a long lamented bigotry against Jews known as anti-Semitism, practiced by people who conveniently overlook the fact that Christ was a Jew.
Who will be practicing this anti-Semitism?
Many of them will be Christians.
So you mean that people who celebrate the birth of a Jewish baby will discriminate against Jews?
Unbelievable!
Believe it.
You know, Joseph, you are the only simple carpenter I ever met who could see into the future.
That's because carpentry and fortune-telling go hand in hand. I see cities with names like Cedar Rapids, Oak Ridge, Pine Bluff, Elmwood. You want more? No! And as far as future bigotry is concerned, let me give you some more examples. When the land of the free and the home of the brave makes legal the ownership and trading of slaves, when all of humanity they love and adore, but hate the neighbor who lives next door, and walk past a beggar leaving him in a lurch, saying, out of my way, I'm late for church. When elected officials gum up the works, refusing to compromise, acting like church, betraying their country, so why did they run? They prove they're incapable of getting things done. Trust me, it's going to happen.
Well, again, a simple carpenter knows all this.
Well, believe me, this carpenter hopes he's wrong. Knock on wood.